Hi, it's Lynette here, and I am so late with my Project Polish Pan update. I'm so sorry. I've been kind of not feeling very well, been really busy, been kind of just feeling a bit all over the place. So I thought I'd come and do a quick update, and because by the time I post this, I'll be halfway through the month, and I'm not going to then wait another month. I'll just probably film it again in 2-3 weeks, so I won't be picking as much polish. However, it did mean that I got a good chance to use the majority of the polishes that I picked last month. So, what did I use? Well, the Nails Ink Bobble Bobble Baby is the colour that I'm actually wearing today. It's absolutely gorgeous, I love it. So pop that one on. I've used that a couple of times. The OPI, don't know what colour this is. Susie San Climbs Fuji-san. Yep, I used that a couple of times. I've not marked where I've used it because it's not really worth it. I really love the Nail Buddy products, and I used this once or twice. You can actually see through there how much that I've used. I think I might have popped this on. 45 seconds Speedy Gloss Nails Ink, Meet Me on Regent Street. Really nice, really dark kind of burgundy red colour, but a lovely colour, especially for this time of year. The OPI, well, this is absolutely one of the most gorgeous red colours that I've ever put on, and it's got such a gorgeous gloss. The OPI Jailbreak, I think I used this just as a kind of almost like a base before I put products on. This is one of my favourites. You can tell I've wrote the label off it, and I look like I've used hundreds, so it's a 60-second polish, but look where the line is. I probably haven't updated it every time I've used it, but it can definitely mark that line now. I've used this a couple of times, the Nails Ink Palace Gardens. Quite a nice neutral colour as well. Now this definitely isn't neutral, and I've actually used a fair wee bit of this. This is the OPI Chills Are Multiplying. Again, perfect for this time of year, isn't it? What else did I use? I did actually use some of the Sally Hansen Top Coat Gel just over a regular polish to get a bit of a shine. However, it did mean it took a while to dry, so yeah, I might just use it as a base coat and let it dry before I use my colours. I don't know. I do have the Seche Vite, which does help the nails dry quicker. I haven't used that. What else do I have here? Oh, the Creative Play. I didn't use this month because it is all gloopy. It is hotty tomaty. So that's going to go down as being finished because it's all kind of, you can see that it's, you know, well used, but it's all gloopy now. And so I am going to call that finished to 1 because it's all gloopy. So I'm going to quickly pick some colours for the next couple of weeks. Obviously that I've just refreshed these because I chipped them. So I've probably got a few more days out of these. Let me have a wee look. So I'm going to go through, so when we kind of get into Christmas, I think I'll go for the kind of goldy sparkly ones, but we still, I said the C word, I'm sorry, I'm not organised, it makes me panic. So I might actually pick out this Nude Girl. I think that would be really nice because it is so, you know, if it chips if I was out or anything like that, it's really nice. I don't think I've used it before either. I'm going to try the Sally Hansen, the vegan nail polish. This time of year you just want to try some of your more darker colours, don't you? I put the Status Ready in. It was very similar to the Meet Me on Regent Street. Trying to just find some, oh, I'm going to pop this in. This is really nice. Really nice. It's quick drying as well. I might pop this in just for a wee change. I'm like that. I'm not going to put many colours in. Oh, I like that, but I've got too many nudes. So these are the kind of colours that I'll pull out, you know, the glitters and things for Christmas. Okay, so I think I might also add in some of these. I'm going to pop the ones that I've used back. I'll draw some lines on them. So I picked 7 colours for the next couple of weeks. I picked the OPI, this nice blue one, because I think there's only, you could wear this in the summer or the spring, but I kind of think it's autumny, wintry. The OPI, because that's such a nice colour on. Now this one is, what's it called? Frenchie Likes to Kiss. It's kind of almost like a pearlescent colour. It's not too strong, however you can use it on its own or you can put it over a colour as well. So I might try putting it over this one and see how I get on. So this is a Nude Girl. I love that shade. I picked the Sally Hansen, the Nails Inc Status Ready. As I said, that's very similar to Meet Me on Regent Street. No, it's not. When you see them together, eh? And I said they were both kind of burgundy, but when you see them together, they are quite different. And the Barry M Liquid Chrome, definitely gorgeous colour. So let me know how you're getting on, if you're managing to use things up, or if you're like me, you keep adding. However, I don't mind doing that as long as I know that I'm going to wear the colours, or if there's a colour missing, or if there's something on offer. But actually, I think, you know, I kind of tried a low buy. I didn't kind of continue with it because I didn't really get on very well. But the last couple of months I have been tracking my spending. I've been trying to track my spending anyway. But I've been reading this fantastic book called The Year of Less. I think that's what it's called anyway. And I've read it before, so I was inspired the other day there when I saw it. I thought, oh, I'm going to get that, you know, I'm going to download that again. And reread it, and I'll do a wee video and we'll chat about it. But it is about doing things like, you know, actually looking and saying, you've got 20 nail polishes that are very similar colours, you don't need any more, even if it's a bargain. You know, you're kind of making your life complicated because you don't have space for anything anymore. So I'll do a wee update on that, and I'll let you know kind of how I get on. But I will film an update for this kind of on the right schedule because I'm just so late. But I will film this kind of, if that makes any sense, I will film this in the next couple of weeks, the update towards the end of the month, so I can pop it out on time. But anyway, if you've watched right to the end, thank you very much, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye.